morning. It's another cold day here. We're going to do another cold start, this time on a 78 CJ7. It's about 10 degrees today, so it's a little warmer than it was in the previous one. But it's still chilly. It got really cold last night, so we'll see if the battery's still charged on it. And yeah. So here we are. Had it out and about yesterday. But still got a little bit of snow on it. But we'll go ahead and see if it's got power. Well, there she goes. We got a little bit in there. Go ahead and give her some pumps. Okay, there we go.
One eternity later.
Forgot to flip the kill switch.
Nice.
There we go. That's better. Now that we got it all warmed up, we can go take it for a spin. Everybody's still plugging along, even though it's super cold, but well, went to the store, got some food, heading back. It's a nice little snowy day, aside from it being 10 degrees, but it ain't bad. Well, that'll be it. I think that was a successful cold start. I want to thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be updated on more videos just like this one. And see you next time.